This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Samsung model, Android version, and the app version so you know what you're troubleshooting. Once done, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches and free at least 200 MB of storage for the app to run. Next, make sure your network is stable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate connectivity issues, and verify airplane mode is off. These first actions remove simple blockers quickly and set up the next, deeper steps. You now move into more detailed fixes. Go to Settings, find the app, and force stop it to halt background processes. Then clear the cache. If the problem persists, clear app data to reset settings. Note this may sign you out. Make sure the app has required permissions like storage and background data, because denied permissions often break functionality. Finally, update the app. If updates fail, uninstall and reinstall from the Galaxy Store or Play Store to replace corrupt files. You finish with advanced diagnostics. Check for system updates and install pending patches that fix app framework incompatibilities. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the conflict. If the app works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep system issues. Tip: if the app still fails, collect logs or take screenshots and contact app support with exact error messages to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.